published 1654 EDT, the 9th of August 2017. Updated 1654 EDT, the 9th of August 2017. A growing taste for flavored vodka in Poland helped alcoholic drinks maker Stock Spirits toast stellar growth. The Eastern European-focused spirit and liqueur maker saw volumes of flavored vodka such as cherry, lemon and strawberry sold in its biggest market, accounting for more than 64% of all vodka sales, grow 7.7% in the first half. Stock Spirits, which owns brands such as Stock Prestige and Zolidka Deluxe, said this compared to 1.4% growth across Poland's wider vodka market. The popularity of flavored spirits in Poland, coupled with a pricing overhaul, has restored investors' faith in the firm since a shareholder rebellion last year and a shake-up of top brass. Stock Spirits, which owns premium vodka brands such as Stock Prestige and Zolidka Deluxe as well as names like Stock 84 Brandy, reported a 3.3% year-on-year jump in revenues. This, combined with growth in the Czech Republic, cost-cutting and a £13.6 million investment in the Irish whiskey market, led analysts to agree that turnaround efforts seem to be gaining traction. The firm reported a 3.3% year-on-year jump in total revenues over the period to £108.3 million, while group profits rose 40% to £10.60 million and total sales increased 7.3% to 5.7 million nl cases. Shares rose 10.3%, or 16.25p, to 174.5p. Worries over tensions between the US and North Korea pushed the FTSE 100 further away from record highs yesterday as investors flocked to defensive stocks such as miners. The index fell 0.59%, or 44.67 points, to 7,498.06. Consumer giant Unilever edged up after attempting to simplify its structure, with plans to buy back around £406 million worth of preference shares from Dutch investors. Shares in MTI Wireless Edge reached an all-time high after the antenna maker secured a £770,000 military contract. The firm, which makes antennas for military and commercial use, did not name the customer, with whom it has already done business, but said the contract is expected to last more than 2 years. Bozdub-Finer said that it demonstrates the customer's satisfaction with our service and product. Shares rose by 13.1%, or 3.88p, to 33.5p. The company has agreed to buy most of the shares held in its Dutch-listed division from NN Investment and ASR Nederland, and its shares rose by 0.4%, or 18p, to 4429p. Boekje Ladbrokes Coral fell into the red yesterday after 3 of its largest shareholders sold around 90 million shares for £111 million. Investors Apollo Funds, Cerberus and Anchorage Gala Coral's private equity owners prior to its merger with Ladbrokes, cashed in on a leap in the firm's fortunes after months of decline on regulatory concerns. Shares fell 5.2%, or 6.6p, to 121.5p. Investors who held on to troubled gold miner Acacia Mining through its dramatic decline over the last few weeks enjoyed a brief respite after the firm was upgraded by analysts at RBC. The Tanzania-focused miner has been at loggerheads with the country's government over its ban on the export of gold concentrate. The tension reached a peak last month where the government told Acacia to cough up £138 billion for undervaluing its products. With Acacia recently reporting progress in discussions between its majority shareholder Barrick Gold and Tanzania's government, RBC thinks the dark clouds could be about to clear. Shares rose 7.7%, or 13.6p, to 189.9p. Support Services and Construction Group Interserve reported a fall in profits and increased expected debt levels in its final set of results before new boss Debbie White joins in September. The firm saw year-on-year first-half profits fall from £55.2 million to £26.5 million and increased its full-year guidance for net debt to £500 million as challenging market conditions in the UK led to a small loss in its construction division. Shares fell 1.5%, or 3.25p, to 220p. Self-storage firm Lockstore reported a 5.5% jump in revenues and 6.5% growth in occupancy in the first half, after opening sites in Bedford and Dover. Shares rose 0.9%, or 3.5p, to 381.5p. Snoozebox, which provides accommodation at music festivals and sports events, rose 6.9%, or 0.02p, to 0.31p after cutting losses by more than half to £1 million in the first 6 months of the year.